Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove oil from a school bag. The first crucial step is to act fast. As soon as you notice an oil stain, gently blot away any excess with a clean cloth or paper towel. Then, generously sprinkle an absorbent powder, such as cornstarch, baking soda, or talcum powder, directly onto the stain. Let this sit for at least 30 minutes or even a few hours to draw out as much oil as possible from the fabric. Once the absorbent powder has done its job, carefully brush it away. Now, it's time for a deeper clean. Apply a small amount of liquid dish soap, which is excellent for cutting through grease, directly onto the remaining oil stain. Gently work the soap into the fabric using a soft brush, like an old toothbrush or your fingertips. Allow the soap to penetrate the stain for about 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing. After the dish soap has worked its magic, rinse the treated area thoroughly with cool water until no suds remain. Next, check your school bag's care label for specific washing instructions. If suitable, hand wash the entire bag using a mild detergent. This helps ensure an even clean and removes any lingering residue. Always air dry your bag completely, as heat from a dryer can sometimes set in any remaining oil. For very stubborn stains, you might need to repeat the absorption and dish soap steps 1 or 2 more times. If the stain persists, consider using a fabric-specific stain remover, but always test it on a small, hidden area first. To prevent future oil mishaps, encourage using a separate lunch bag or sealed containers for food items. This simple step can save you a lot of cleaning effort down the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.